Well, good evening, everyone. It's Megan, and I'm going to take a few minutes this evening just to talk about how to create a Dropbox account and all the fun tools that come with having an account. So, as you see, I already have pulled us up on the home page of Dropbox, and you can see I've already previously had an account already for Dropbox before this course. But you can also hit right here and sign in or create a new account. It's super easy. And then, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And it is actually going to take me to all of the files I have saved up on Dropbox prior to this course. So I actually went over here and hit upload folder, and that just takes you to your computer of what things have already been saved and uploading here. So I'm actually going to click on this file that I have made for this class, in which I made a new folder over here. How you click on that, and I put animal management, the topic that I'm going to research and have been discussing with you guys in previous activities throughout this class. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and within this folder I actually have made 11 other folders for all the badges that we'll be doing in this semester. So right over here again, I'm going to go back up to badge 1 and show you all that I have saved already just in this one area, so I know exactly where the assignments that we've done for this one badge is all located in one certain area. So I think that's really neat to keep us all organized, because I know as college kids it's super hard to stay organized with all our classes, so this is really neat how we can stay organized within our different courses that we're in. But I guess another neat factor is we can come into this folder right here and come over here and share and put any email or name that we have saved within our computer, and we can share them this one document, or I guess this one file. Instead of sharing them our whole Dropbox account, we can send them just this certain one that we want them to take a look at or just check on and stuff like that. So I think that's really neat. It's going to be very beneficial not only here at Purdue University, sending them to TAs or our professor or our classmates, but also I think it'll be very beneficial once we get in the workforce of in a classroom setting. So that are some few tips that I have within Dropbox account. So I hope it all goes well with you guys. Thank you.